Behind every device, there is a team's commitment. Rippa, always with you. At Rippa, we know that professional services come from professional talents. Every technician needs to pass rigorous training and master core technology. Not only that, we implement regular retraining and skill certification to ensure that everyone always maintains the latest technical level. Continuous learning and excellence are the basic requirements of Rippa's services. When the machine stops working, time is everything. Rippa knows this very well, so we have built a 24-hour, cross-time zone service response system to ensure that the service team is always online and on call no matter when and where. 7 days times 24 hours, real person service, real-time response. Solve your problems as soon as possible. From online diagnosis to video guidance to on-site inspection, we always solve every problem at the fastest speed and in the most appropriate way. This is not only after-sales service, but also our respect for efficiency and commitment to customers. Rippa after-sales service is not only about response, but also focused on results. Equipment downtime means rising costs. Production interruptions, scheduled delays, waste of resources. Rippa deeply understands the actual impact of downtime. Therefore, we have built an efficient and reliable original parts guarantee system. Relying on a centralized supply center and an intelligent inventory management system, combined with a global logistics network, Rippa can complete the allocation and shipment of parts in the shortest time, ensuring that customers can quickly obtain the required original parts support in any region. Whether it is regular maintenance parts or key core components, we provide a full range of original genuine guarantees to ensure that the accessories meet the best standards in compatibility, durability, and performance. Quick response, accurate supply, and controllable standards. Rippa provides solid support for the continuous operation of customer equipment with a rigorous service system. To improve service efficiency, Rippa has set up overseas storage centers in key areas around the world, pre-arranged core accessories, and improved response speed so that services can be delivered more timely. From construction site to site, from maintenance to accessories, Rippa is always by your side to ensure that work and equipment are not stopped. Choosing Rippa is not just choosing a piece of equipment, but also choosing a reliable and professional service system. Rippa after-sales service is not only about response, but also about results.